of the weather radio station WXJ 93 Cartersville, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations...
Alright, we got some explaining to do. Recom, why are you first header? 209, why are you first header?
...and receivers' performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location.
Hold up.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater...
Hey, perfect activation!
Even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Cartersville, Ohio. Now here is the official National Weather Service good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Butler, Champaign, Clark, Clinton, Dark, Greene, Logan, Miami, Montgomery, Preble, Shelby, and Warren. And in Indiana, Union, and Wayne. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ.
Alright.
Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Friday, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. West winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly clear. Lows
Hang on.
in the lower 60s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Saturday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 80s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 70. Monday, partly cloudy with a chance of showers. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers. Lows around 70.
Alright, you ready for some bullshit?
Tuesday, partly cloudy. A chance
Are you ready for some pure bullshit, dude?
in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 50%.
Alright, Recom R1630D! Why did you activate on the first header? And repeat offender, Radio Shack 12-259. Instead of activating on the second header, you decide to activate on the third header! Ah! Anyways. Yes, I don't know why they repeat that. Anyways, final weekly test until the beginning of school season. I fucking hate school. Yes. But we did have a perfect activation. Yeah. Now we just wait for IWX. I caught WXJ46's weekly with the 991. I'm gonna try and catch DTX. But yeah. When I went outside, I could actually get KIH, I think, isn't it? No, not, I think it's WWF 34. Which is obviously a Grand Rapids station. I might try and get Grand Rapids, I don't know. But we will see. They're going! They're going! They're going! Of course, my 991's barely getting it. Dude, come on, 991. I don't have time for your game. IWX. God, 991. Alright. I have still not gotten anything from CLE. I'm gonna have to ask Marion if CLE has tested yet. Because I have not gotten anything from them. Hang on. Why is this 120 just getting shit reception all of a sudden?